Hi, my name is Eric, and I work as an estimator at Above Roofing. I started as a repair technician here at Above Roofing, and I think that gave me a good eye for finding and diagnosing leaks and making sure that you get the right solution to your problem. But not only that, also working on full roofs. Quite often there's problem areas on a roof that left unattended could result in a leak. One of the things that's important to me is making sure that each homeowner gets the right solution to their problem. Sometimes a solution for the homeowner may not even involve a roof repair, but it involves something else, and making sure that I provide honest feedback on what's going on and what the best solution for them is probably the most important thing for me. I'm married. I have 4 kids, and I am an avid reader. I enjoy writing, and I spend as much time outside as I can. My name is Eric. I look forward to meeting you and providing you with an honest estimate for your repair or new roof.